Today I'm reviewing this monitor screen protector. Has 2 to 3 H surface hardness and a 30 degree anti-peeping angle. It helps with privacy. You can see it's all mounted up here. It comes in a few sizes. This is on my 24-inch iMac, and you can see here. Watch, look at the side. Can't see. See how it blocks it. It also gives you a little blue light protection. You can see the hangers on here. They have nice and soft, so no tools needed. Just watch. You can see the difference. There's the monitor. Put it on, and we're good to go. Everything works good. Check this out. You can see up close how it looks. Go to the side. You can see, can't see, can't see. You can move this over to the side a little bit. And you see the difference. Makes it a lot. Also helps with glare from like ceiling lights, sunlight, etc. Makes it a lot easier to work. Makes it so people aren't being nosy in the office or the house, all that. And overall, nice product. Again, easy to install. Came really well packaged in a bunch of foam, so it all came nice. No scratches, anything like that. See the little magnetic tabs right here. Everything works great, and I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.